In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows error code 0x8707063. So this should be a quick and easy process video. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead to Settings. And now after you have open Settings, just watch as you can see. Then go ahead, click on System, which is located at the left side. Then go ahead to the right side, click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Then run the Windows update. As you can see, a scan will check place. Just follow the steps so you can finish the troubleshoot. So after you've done with that, the next thing you can do is to right-click on your desktop. Click on New, choose Text Document, and then copy the commands will be available in the description below and paste them here. After that, go to File, click Save As, and then just wait a couple of seconds. Name it whatever you want, then add .bat at the end. After you've done that, just click on Save. And make sure the document is on desktop so you can see it. Ahead, right-click the document and then click on Run as Administrator. Have done that, a scan will check place, so just leave it scanning, and when it finishes, restart your computer for changes to take place. As always, thank you for watching.